Welcome back, dear students. Today our topic is internal structure of dorsiventral leaves, or simply anatomy of dorsiventral leaves. First of all, we should know what are dorsiventral leaves. Those leaves which possess distinct upper and lower surface. This is the upper surface, okay, and this is the lower surface. They possess distinct upper and lower surfaces, or distinct dorsal and ventral surfaces. They are known as dorsiventral leaves. Okay, their anatomy can be studied separately under the following three headings. The first one is epidermis. The upper and lower epidermis of dorsiventral leaves is made up of compactly arranged parenchymatous cells. These compactly arranged parenchymatous cells are usually present in the form of a single layer. That means epidermis is single layered. But in case of some species like Ficus elastica, the epidermis is multi-layered. Generally, the cells of epidermis, they are devoid of chloroplasts. The outer walls of epidermal cells are covered with cuticle. They are coated with cuticle. Sometimes an additional layer of wax deposition has been found in some cases. Although cuticle is present on both surfaces, but the cuticle of upper surface is relatively more thick as compared to that of the lower surface. Mostly these leaves are hypostomatic, which means stomata are present on lower surface, but there are some cases where stomata have been found to occur on both upper and as well as lower surface. Okay, although they are more on the lower surface as compared to the upper surface. Such a condition is known as ampistomatic condition. Okay, in some free floating hydrophytes, stomata are confined only to the upper surface. Okay, those hydrophytes in which leaves remain floated on the water surface, they possess stomata only on the upper surface, upper epidermis. In some species, example Nerium, stomata are sunken, which means they are borne in pits. This helps them reduce the loss of water through transpiration. Now the mesophyll, it is a bulk of tissue which lies between upper and lower epidermis. It includes all the tissues lying between upper and lower epidermis except the vascular bundles. The cells of mesophyll, they are parenchymatous and contain abundant chloroplasts. It is differentiated into palisade and spongy parenchyma. Okay, now the palisade parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma is composed of compactly arranged columnar cells. They are usually found towards the upper epidermis. Now the spongy parenchyma. It is composed of loosely arranged parenchymatous cells with wide intercellular spaces. Okay, and this spongy parenchyma, it is found towards lower surface or lower epidermis. The interconnected intercellular spaces which are present between the cells of spongy parenchyma, they open into substomatal chambers. Now the vascular system. The midrib of the dorsiventral leaf, it is the main vascular supply which is distributed to anastomosing veinlets. जो midrib होती है is the main vascular supply of a dorsiventral leaf, and this is then distributed to the veinlets. This midrib, it possesses either a single vascular bundle or more than one vascular bundles. Examples of single vascular bundles are in Nerium, Cannabis prunus, and many vascular bundles are found in case of sunflower and vitis. Okay, remember that the vascular bundles which are present in the midrib of leaves, they are devoid of endodermis and pericycle. Endodermis and pericycle are absent in case of vascular bundles which are present in leaves. Okay, usually in case of dorsiventral leaves, the vascular bundles are not bound by bundle sheath. Bundle sheaths are present in isobilateral leaves or monocot leaves. Okay, यहाँ पे usually the bundle sheath is absent in case of dorsiventral leaves. Bundle sheath is not there around the vascular bundle of dorsiventral leaves, but there are some exceptions where a distinct bundle sheath has been found around the vascular bundles. The vascular bundles of dorsiventral leaves are conjoined, collateral, and closed. Okay, you know the meaning of conjoined, collateral, and closed. In these vascular bundles, phloem lies towards lower side and xylem towards the upper side. Now let's have a look on the anatomical features of a dorsiventral leaf. This represents the upper epidermis and this is the lower epidermis. Okay, it is constituted of a single layer of compactly arranged parenchymatous cells, and on the outer side you can see it is having a deposition of cuticle. Okay, now the palisade parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma consists of compactly arranged columnar cells, and these cells are situated towards the upper epidermis. Then the spongy parenchyma. Spongy parenchyma, it is present towards the lower epidermis, and it is constituted of rounded or polygonal cells which have a large network of intercellular spaces. Okay, and these intercellular spaces finally open to the substomatal chambers here. Here you can see the stomata, they are restricted to the lower surface of the leaf. Okay, then the vascular bundle. In the vascular bundle, the xylem is located towards the upper side and phloem is located towards the lower side. Okay, this is all about the anatomy of dorsiventral leaves. I hope you all understand this. In the next part, we are going to discuss the anatomy of isobilateral leaves or the anatomy of monocot leaves. Till then, stay blessed and thank you.